So hello and welcome back to our C++ tutorial series. I am Akshat Jain and I am a software development engineer. In a previous video, we have explored inheritance and polymorphism in C++. In this video, we are going to learn about STL, which is Standard Template Library, a powerful library tool that provides a collection of generic algorithms and data structures in C++. So let's get started. The standard template library STL is a library in C++ that provides set of templates, classes and functions to manipulate various data structures and performs various algorithms and operations very easily. Okay, the STL consists of three main components: containers, algorithms and iterators. So let's understand what are containers. Containers are basically the data structures. So we'll understand each containers in this lecture. I will try to teach you every containers, and I will request you to go through every functions of every containers by your own and try implementing them, because watching the video will not be like watching the video will not get the idea of STL. Okay, you have to implement it by yourself. Okay, so let's start by writing our first container, which is vector. So first of all, let's write our piece of code, hash include iostream. Okay, and I will write using namespace std. Okay, int main. So the first container is vector. Okay, so what is vector? Vector is like array only, but it has dynamic size. Okay, it can be resized, it can be. So how do we declare a vector? We have to write vector, we have to use these types of symbols, and we have to pass the data type and the name of the vector. Okay, I have written name. Now since I can initialize it by like this also. Now if I have to add another, so I will write name dot, okay, not name will not suit. Okay, vector vec. So vec dot push back, so it will add 5 to it. Now so this is how we push. Again I will push, now I have to print. Okay, now let's print in vector. I will write for int I equals to 0, I less than vec dot size I plus plus. I will write cout. What cout? Let's see, vec of I. Okay, let's see what it is printing. It will print or not? Yes, it is printing 1 2 3 4 5. Let's give spaces as well. So it is very similar to our array only. Okay, now if I write vec dot pop back, pop back means it will remove from the back. What is at back? 5. Now let's run again, let's print again. Okay, I will write cout and del over here. I will run again. Now see, 5 has been popped out. So this is our vector. Okay, so let's talk about our second container, which is set. Okay, let's include set again. Set. Okay, set basically contains only and only unique values. It does not contains duplicate value, and set cannot be accessed using these, okay, by indexes. Okay, so this is the difference between set. So how we will declare set? We'll write set, we'll pass the data type. It can be anything. Okay, it can be anything, and I will write set s. Okay, so as here, how to insert? Is a function s dot insert. Okay, 1. Let's write, okay, 1 1 2 3 1 1. Okay, 1 1 2 and 3. Now I will print every. So how to print in set? I have to write for auto ita colon s. So what is this new kind of loop? Okay, so let's understand. Auto means it will automatically figure out which type of data type is it. It is the name of our iterator. It is a name. Colon and the name of our data structure. That's it. And I have to write cout it. let's see what it will print. It is going to be print 1 1 2 3 or just 1 2 3. Yes, just 1 2 3. Okay, now I will just remove s dot remove. Okay, so I will not remove. Okay, so you know the basic idea. What you have to do is just go through every functions of vectors and sets and try implementing by your own. Okay, our third most important container is hash map. Okay, let's include it. Hash include let's hash include map. Okay. Okay, now what are maps? Maps are basically a key value pair. Let's understand map in one note, then we'll write the piece of code here. Okay, so maps are basically, let's understand maps. So maps are, I have said, key value pair. Okay, and what is pair? Let's take an example. I have an array. Okay, 1 2 3 2 2 and 3. Okay, now I have to count the frequency of each and every elements. Okay, so 1 has 1 frequency, 2 has 3 frequency, and 3 has 2 frequency. Okay, so to count a frequency, to store corresponding value of every element to its frequency, they have designed STL, or we can say C, in C++ or in any programming language, a concept has been designed, a key value pair. Okay, a key value pair. So a map is a key value pair. So we will be declaring map like this: int comma int and the name of map, anything. So it is similar to vector and set, how to declare, but we are passing a key value pair. So it is a key and it is a value. Okay, so this is how it is going to store. MP of key is equals to its value. So this is the basic syntax of our map. So this is now going to 1 1 2 3 3 2. So our key will be 1 2 and 3. Our value will be, how many times 1 occurs? 1 time. How many times 2 occurs? 3 times. How many times 3 occurs? 2 times. So this is the key value pair used to store the frequency in map. Okay, so let's write a code to understand how we declare it and all. Okay, so we'll write map int comma int mp. Okay, let's declare an array first. Int array 4 is equals to 1 1 2 3. Okay, or let's make it big: 6 1 1 2 3 2 2 2 and 3. How many times? I guess it's 7 times. Okay, let's make it 7. Okay, now for int I equals to 0, I less than 7, I plus plus. Now I will write mp of arr of I plus plus. So basically mp of 1, it is initially declared as 0. Okay, every frequency is 0. So initially when it comes 1 here, so it will become like mp of 1. So it will increase its frequency by 1, it will become 1. Again 1, so it will increase its frequency by 2. Okay, then it will come here 2, mp of 2. So it will again increase its frequency by 1, now it will become 1, and so on. Okay, so frequency has been updated. Let's see for auto it in mp. Okay, now we know that there is two values, key and value. So there is first value and there is second value. So our frequency is stored in second value. So we'll simply write cout frequency is equals to it dot second. That's it, and we'll write handle also. Let's see the frequency and corresponding value also. Let's write cout value is equals to it dot first and space. Let's see now. Yes, frequency of 1 is 2, okay, 1 is 2, 2 is 3, 2 is 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3 is 2. Yes, it's printing very accurately. Okay, so these were the containers in STL. I hope you understand the small idea of it. Okay, I will recommend you to visit a blog where all or the official C++ STL documentation to understand the functionalities very well. And there are many more like stack, queues, dequeues, list, etc. So it will be very beneficial for you if you go to the documentation, official documentation, and understand by your own, because STL is that part of C++ which cannot be make understandable to you by watching videos. You have to implement yourself. Okay, so I hope I did justice with my job to provide you a little bit of knowledge in STL, and my request is again to watch the to understand the documentation and implement it by your own. So I hope you understand. In the next video I will take some questions of C++ which will be very beginner friendly, which will clear all your doubts regarding the programming in C++. Till then, bye bye.